Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best USB adapter kit is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools in today's digital landscape, seamlessly bridging the gap between your devices and various connection types, offering a comprehensive solution for all your connectivity needs, whether you're a professional needing to connect to a projector or a casual user needing to transfer files between devices. This kit will be your best friend. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to maximize the functionality of their devices and simplify their workflow. Number 5. BYEASY UC-109 USB 3.0 Hub. Introducing the BYEASY UC-109 USB 3.0 Hub, your solution for adding 4 extra USB ports to your computer. It's perfect for connecting multiple devices at once, making your workflow more efficient. Its sleek, slim design makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. It's the ideal companion for the on-the-go professional. Experience lightning-fast data transfer speeds with this hub. Move large files, like videos and photos, in a flash. This hub works seamlessly with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS. It's compatible with USB 3.0, 2.0, and 1.1 devices. Your purchase includes the BYEASY UC-109 USB 3.0 hub and a user manual. Everything you need to get started is right here. It's important to note that it has a maximum output current of 900 mA. For devices requiring more power, an external power adapter is recommended. What we like. It boasts a sleek and portable design, perfect for those always on the go. Its blazing fast data transfer speeds ensure you'll never be waiting around. If you need a reliable hub compatible with various operating systems and devices, this is the one for you. What people say. Plug and play, instantly recognized by computer. Especially like that is USB 3.0 rather than 2.0 like many others. It's very small and easy to hide. Okay, so I have this hub for 2 years. It's very durable. Sleek design. Use for mouse, keyboard, printer cable, and with TP-Link Wi-Fi Dual 2.45.0G external adapter. Quick response for USB 2.0. This does exactly what I want it to do. This works very well when I am connecting mouse, keyboard, USB drive and a second USB drive that is being used for copy of my files that I use on a daily basis. So I need something that will give me more USB ports, and it also eliminates the need to constantly pull out a USB drive to put another one in. It also works very well with a mouse and keyboard and doesn't really add any noticeable input lag, which is actually a very good thing. Number 4. ANYPLUS 4-port USB 3.0 Hub. Introducing the ANYPLUS 4-port USB 3.0 Hub. It easily expands your computer's USB ports, letting you connect multiple devices simultaneously. This hub is incredibly user-friendly. Just plug it in, no drivers are needed. It's ready to use right out of the box. It works seamlessly with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS. Connect your flash drives, printers, keyboards, almost any USB device. Experience high-speed data transfer with USB 3.0 support. It also supports USB 2.0 and 1.1 devices. While it's great for many devices, it has a 900 mA power output limit. Some high-power devices may require an external power adapter. Our dedicated team provides 24/7 online customer support. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. What we like. This hub expands your USB ports without any hassle. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, making it incredibly versatile. If you need a simple, plug-and-play solution to connect multiple devices, this is your best bet. What people say. The cord length is maybe a few inches long, which is okay, but 4 ports was just the right amount I needed. Its design is sleek and doesn't stand out too much on my desk. This USB hub gives me exactly what I need, for USB ports in a small device. It also pleased me that I could select among various colors so that it is easy to see on my desk. This takes one USB slot, and now the keyboard, mouse, and external drive connect to this port, leaving a free USB slot. It works well, has a compact design, and functions exactly as I required. Number 3. Acer 4-port USB 3.0 hub. Introducing the Acer 4-port USB 3.0 hub. It adds 4 extra USB 3.0 ports to your laptop, perfect for connecting all your favorite peripherals. Transfer movies, photos, and files in seconds. It boasts speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. For optimal performance with hard drives, use the USB-C power port. This hub features an advanced GL3510 chip and excellent thermal design to keep your data safe and your devices cool. It's plug and play, no drivers needed. Its slim and lightweight design with a convenient 2-foot cable makes it the perfect travel companion. A handy LED light indicates whether it's working. It's compatible with a wide range of devices and operating systems, including Acer, XPS, PS4, Xbox, and more. It works seamlessly with macOS, Windows, Chrome OS, and Linux. Remember, the USB-C port is for power only, it does not transfer data or charge other devices. It ensures stable and fast data transmission through the other 4 USB-A ports. What we like. Transfer files at lightning speed with its high-speed data transfer capabilities. The powered USB ports ensure stable and fast data transmission, especially when using power-hungry devices. If you prioritize speed and stability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The multiple USB 3.0 ports are perfect for connecting all my devices, printers, external hard drives, and USB sticks, without any hassle. The addition of a USB-C power port is fantastic, allowing me to charge my laptop while using the hub. Build quality is amazing. It can handle all of the ports being used and not have another device that's plugged in being slow. I have been looking for a high-speed hub for my PS5. This one works like a charm. External hard drive takes one of my 2 USB ports in back. This buys me 4 more. Pro controller dongle, headphone dongle, peripheral charger. All work together and I still have an extra port. Number 2. Compact Cable Card Kit. Tired of carrying multiple charging cables? This kit has you covered. It's the perfect solution for keeping your devices powered up on the go. It includes a USB-C cable and 4 adapters, so you're ready for any device. No more searching for the right cable. Small enough to fit in your pocket or bag, it's ideal for travel. Its compact design makes it easy to carry everywhere. It supports fast charging up to 65W and high-speed data transfer up to 480 megabits per second. Charge and transfer data quickly and safely. The OTG adapter lets you connect peripherals like a mouse or keyboard. It also includes slots for storing your SIM and TF cards. Keep everything neatly organized in its compact case. It even doubles as a phone stand. What we like. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel. It comes with multiple adapters, eliminating the need to carry numerous cables. If you're a traveler who values convenience and versatility, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. The multifunctional compact cable card with a 22 USB-C cable, USB-A, micro USB, Lightning, and OTG connectors is a versatile and handy accessory, particularly suitable for travel. The inclusion of various connectors ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices. This versatility means you can charge and sync different gadgets, from smartphones to tablets, without the need to carry multiple cables. The OTG on-the-go functionality is a valuable addition, allowing you to connect USB peripherals to your mobile devices. This is handy for transferring files, connecting a keyboard or mouse, or even using a USB flash drive with your phone or tablet. Number 1. USB-C Cable Kit. It has everything you need to charge and transfer data for Android and iOS devices. This versatile kit simplifies your life. It's as small as a credit card, easily fitting in your pocket, wallet, or bag. Take it anywhere with you. The adapters are made from a scratch-resistant aluminum alloy, built to last. Enjoy long-lasting performance. It includes a SIM card removal pin and storage, making SIM card changes a breeze. The case even doubles as a phone stand. You get a USB-C to USB-C cable, adapters for USB-A, micro USB, and Lightning connectors, plus a SIM removal pin. Everything you need is right here. This kit is the ultimate solution for all your charging and data transfer needs. Order yours today. What we like. This credit card-sized kit is incredibly portable and convenient. It's built with durable materials to withstand daily use. If you're looking for a compact and durable solution for all your charging and data transfer needs, this is it. What people say. It is much smaller than you might think, really fits anywhere. As someone who regularly charges many different devices, iPhone, Android phones, action camera, etc. While outside my house I find this kit extremely useful. I keep it next to my power bank and can always charge whatever I need. Over the past months, I have ordered several different cables in an attempt to find some way to travel with a minimum of bulk, but be able to fast charge and make fast data transfers using USB-C, micro and lightning products. This is the only solution that I have found that meets those criteria. It can be used for fast charging with either the USB-C cable as is or with the included USB-A adapter. It transfers data quickly and reliably. It's compact, lightweight, and handy for travel with multiple devices. It does both data and charging, unlike some that do only charging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.